Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious matcha cookies. First, combine your dry ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of high-quality matcha powder for vibrant color and flavor. Set these aside. Next, ensure your butter is perfectly softened for the creaming process. Now, let's create the base. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add your dry matcha mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing on low speed. Stop as soon as the flour streaks disappear to prevent tough cookies. Chilling the dough is a crucial step for perfect matcha cookies. Cover your dough and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent spreading during baking. While the dough chills, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once chilled, scoop rounded tablespoons of dough onto baking sheets lined with parchment paper, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Bake your matcha cookies for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly set and the centers still look slightly soft. Overbaking can make them dry. Once out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. This helps them firm up. Enjoy your beautiful, vibrant matcha cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.